Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. I'm going to show y'all folks one of my newest kits. Disc brake conversion for early Dana 44s. This particular axle is out of a 61 Ford 3/4 ton. It is an 8-lug. And of course, as most of my kits are, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We got us a primary plate, secondary plate. The spacers uses a lot of the factory hardware. Make it real simple. I'm doggone already being a damned idiot, ain't I? It's been a long day. So, gonna bolt this up to our factory spindle. If you can't do this one, friends, you ought not to be working on your car. As you can see, I went ahead and bolted this one together. Primary, secondary plate mounted. As you can see, the rotor which we send is machined to fit our factory hub. So all you gotta do is drive the studs in, which I supply really close to the factory ones. Yes, I've only stuck in 4, just to show folks. Slide that on, get our bearings on. It's a little heavy. There we go. Getting close. That's pretty doggone close. Voila. We're already mounted. Like I said, here's the factory hub. So, with your factory wheel pilot holder register. So, please don't call up and say, will my wheels fit? God darn. If I had a $5 bill for every person that ever asked me that, I'm not sure where I'd be. Tahiti, maybe. Big old pin caliper. This is full-size stuff, guys. This isn't Mickey Mouse around. This is mid-80s rotor. This is drilled and slotted for this client. Of course, we've got plain ones. This is full-size stuff with a lot of mass. This is 1 1/4 inches wide. This is the real deal. This ain't some Mickey Mouse, little rinky-dink stuff that ain't gonna work. There you go. And of course, most of you know the bottom pin goes in right there. Now, I'm not even trying and shooting the shit. And you can see how fast I did that. So, give us a call, give us a try. Change that 4-wheel drive forever. You'll feel safe and you'll feel comfortable. Throw you on some power disc brakes, the real deal. Real deal Holyfield. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking and stopping. Bye.